What's up, you guys? It's Julio here, and we're finishing this truck that Jonathan has done here. Jonathan works with one of our detailers here at the shop, and he wanted to test out our products, our new vinyl wrapped colors that are coming on the website soon. Another key note here, an important thing for you guys to understand, is that Jonathan's never wrapped a car. He's a detailer, and this is his first time applying vinyl wrap to a truck. This was not a super easy job. It was difficult, but he was able to use our films to install it, and he was able to have the air release and very durable product, so he's not having any issues with creasing or the film delaminating or like just getting destroyed with too much heat. So if he can do it, then anyone can do it because it's his first time. So with the right tools, the right amount of time, the right amount of disassembling, vinyl is something that almost anyone can do from home as a DIY product and DIY installation. This is what it looks like, almost done, but we're wrapping up the vehicle today. We're gonna have some still, or what are they called, roller shots, so that way he can really showcase the color and show you guys the before and after. If you click the link below, you will definitely see our vinyl products on our website. So there's over 200 colors of vinyl, and I believe close to 200 colors of color change PPF. But if you guys are out there looking, we have great prices, great installation products. They're very easy to use. You guys are gonna love using these products. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Keep watching.